Sometimes you might have the picture clue and the qualities you wish to have in your dream man or woman, but sadly, you never seem to have them. Don't panic, cause we've got you covered. Did you know that henceforth, by just watching each episode of Romance with Elegance, you could get hooked up to your dream man or woman? So in this show, we are not just sharing relationship advices, stories and tips. We are also here to help you start and run a romantic and successful relationship. So what are you waiting for? If you're single and searching, kindly contact us right now and let's help hook you up to your dream man or woman. So the process is very simple. Send us a message right now and let's tell you how. Get ready to meet your dream man or woman and start up a romantic relationship. Welcome to Hook Up in Romance with Elegance. We are always here for you. And remember, the goal is to be happy every day.